does this exercise or performance help people with that condition?
Well, this started as a fun thing. In 2021, we were in the pandemics. They were absolutely isolated. And that year we were, whenever we were going to perform in a festival, and I told them to the festival, yes, we will perform, but I wanted the Alzheimer people participate. And we did that day control video. Well, we thought a lot, they participate in the music? It's complicated because we should rehearse, music is more like super exact. And then we decided that they participate in video. So they can do, if we prepare nice videos and nice mixings and so on, they can do whatever they want, and it's beautiful. And then that time, it was AFA Canals that was the first participating in this, and we show things that happen. For instance, one girl with that didn't talk at all for 3 years, that didn't do almost anything. That night, she got the tablet and started to move the sliders. And also the director thought that they was going to do something wrong, and got the tablet from her, and she got it, and she again, and finally she said, "Let me, leave me," for 3 years, not talking. And the director got astonished, and we did too. And we had another person that was with the keyboard, like this, was performing like a concertist, like, and he was blind. So we thought that this may do something. We don't know what, and then since then we have performed several of these. And we always get very nice responses from AFA Valencia, from AFA Canals, and now AFA Cuenca has joined us. And also the therapies can be, we can build, this is just one therapy. We can build wherever we want because the system is modular. It has very simple modules for players, effects, video players, video mixing, wherever, and each of these modules can be controlled through the tablet and also on a long distance through internet. And then we can do whatever we want. This is just one example, a beautiful example. But we, for instance, with Sarah and the Gesher project, they are dealing with people with autism, Down syndrome, etc., and we can build a different therapy for them if this is too complicated or whatever, or giving simple commanders. For instance, this one that has just 8 buttons, it's super adaptable. That's the way it happened. We thought that the motivation in education and also in people with special needs was very high because they create the thing. They don't repeat a score. And then we thought, well, with people with Alzheimer, may it work? Will it happen the same? And it does happen the same. So we are proud to be here. And I have to thank so many people here, to Jacob for performing today, to Shuet Sen, thank you, to Gisela Justicia, to the Alzheimer Associations of Canals that we started with them. They are not today with us, but we started with them. There are Alzheimer associations from Valencia, from Cuenca, the Gesher project, Roger Dannenberg always, that he's really a good friend, apart from a collaborator. And very, 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 very special thanks to Agnieszka Rowiska, my host, and Peter, that makes this possible. I don't know how many mails he has sent to everybody to help me, to Ernesto, to all the music and performance. Can you please put to the music and performing arts professionals that have welcomed me so good. I arrived here 1 month ago, and in 1 month we have prepared all of this, and it's the end of the course. So everybody is super busy, and they have helped me so much to prepare this. So I have to thank everybody. I cannot repeat the names. There are too many, but all the music and performing arts profession, music and research, the MARL, the music therapy program that show me all their work, music education also show me their work. Well, I cannot say it, just thanks. And also the NYU Administrative Department, Jasmine, Christine, Ingrid, Marisol, all of them that have, and all the names, forgive me, the names I forget, that have helped me so much to be today here doing this. Thank you.